who it is.
Yeah, big bad Batman. Come on, tough guy. Come and get it. Batman just left.
Yeah, the stinking coward limped off, cape between his legs. If he tried to come through, I'd take him off. Any chance.
Get... Huh?
As Gotham's veins slowly filled with pain and suffering, the effects were felt everywhere.
Joker here, with a little update for you all. First, the good news. We have Dr. Young. Bad news, she's not talking. She's in the document somewhere in the mansion. I want it found. I've got a plan on Six to loosen her tongue. In the meantime, search every cook and granny as a prize for whoever finds them.
This fight is for face! I'm gonna turn your bones to dust! Don't let him hit you!
Find those notes before Joker does.
No idea. Joker doesn't tell us his plans.
She looked scared. Maybe she knew what was coming.
Maybe. I heard he struck someone.
He's here! You hit me like an old man!
Welcome to the Arkham Library. History is so important. A dramatic event here, a murder there. It's enough to drive anyone crazy!
You're gonna run! You're gonna bleed out your face! I'll slice you! You're gonna have to...
Oh, leaving the party so soon. What about the other guests?
How many
Just
pieces
die. turn up and save the day.
Jeez!
Congratulations! Now all you have to do is take a stroll downstairs and save the helpless hostages. Right? Oh, how frustrating. Thought it was going to be easy, didn't you? Has tonight taught you nothing? In 2 minutes, the room will fill with happiness. The audience will be in fits of ecstasy, and then die.
This floor isn't as old as it looks. Reinforced glass with steel supports. The colors are just printed on. The gel won't break it.
Maybe I should just press the button and... Only joking. They're entering their final 60 seconds of remembering to breathe. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Just 30 seconds left. I hope all that running about hasn't ruined that exquisite costume of yours.
Thank you, Batman. Are they all gone?
Yes, you're safe. What happened?
It all happened so fast. Some patients broke in, began tearing up the place, like they were looking for something. Bill here fought back, but there were too many. They took Dr. Young. She rushed in here and they followed.
I'm sorry. When I came to, we were all tied up. Doc Young was gone.
What's going on?
I don't know.
He's here!
Where did you go? Where did you go? Answer me!
I said I don't know. She could be anywhere.
Are you looking to die? Are you? I'm not screwing around. Where did she go?
You're not.
What's that collar do? Why is it making that noise?
It's the suicide collar, but it sounds weird.
Suicide collar?
Well, they've got some other name, but, well, we just use them to monitor patients' heartbeats. If it drops too low, the alarm goes off and a crash team rushes in.
And so does my crew if you trigger one. How do you like them apples, bats? Standing around in the... let's see... the West Wing. They'd be there now if they weren't busy knocking a little sense into cash. I'll tell you what, I won't spoil the surprise and let them know you're coming.
Come again! Harder!
You're gonna need more than that.
Find out how she does it.
She can do her worse. I ain't talking. Period. Do what you want.
Talking before even someone else.
Hey, get off me!
Come on, find him. It's just an old room full of books. How hard can it be?
What are you doing? Oh! Anyone got a way out of this? Where are you? Ah, the hell with this! Hey, get off me! Ah! Wait, I can't see him anymore! What are you doing? Ah!
Happy. You're failing all your performance targets, and I don't think...
Hey, get off me! Ah!
Thanks.
Where did Dr. Young go?
I told her to run. These guys came in looking for her. I told her to go to her office and hide.
Does she keep her records there?
I guess. She was pretty desperate to get in there. Her office is over there.
How long ago was this? I need to find her notes before Joker gets his hands on them.
20 minutes, maybe more. What's so important about the notes?
Joker wants them. That makes them important. Stay here. I'm going to find her.
Not a problem. I'll try the radio, see if anyone else is around.
You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means. Quiet! Just shut up! I'm trying! He's here!
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office. It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way out. Someone has already got to the safe. The only question now is, who opened it? No sign of forced entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination. Let's see. Good. Dr. Young got to her notes before Joker. She's taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them. Oracle. I'm on Dr. Young's trail. I've had to calibrate the scanner to only show recent prints. If I follow these, I will find her or the notes.
I hope it works. Just so you know, the GCPD found one of Joker's bombs downtown. It was full of marzipan and kittens.
As I thought.
It's just a twisted diversion. The real action's on Arkham.
Joker was right.
Over there!
Patient interview 1. Patient was referred to the incident with Dr. Murray. He appears to have suffered a breakdown of sorts. I believe it was brought about after the loss of his wife and child. As yet, the patient has been unable to speak. Continued observation shows little mental activity. If you took the shock of what he saw triggered his mental collapse.
There's someone in here! Yes, we found him. Right down the door!
Note to self, as ever, it is difficult to continue my research under such conditions.
Step away from Dr. Cole! Now! Get down on the ground! We found them. Someone get a medic. Oh, God, what's he done to him?
Oracle, I found Dr. Young's formula.
Great. So does that mean you've stopped Joker?
It's never this simple with him.
What's that you got there, Bats? No, not the formula. What am I going to do? Who can help me now? What's that? How about our old friend Zaz? I did bump into him on the way back from the gardens, when no doubt he was acting out some twisted fantasy. Maybe he could get her talking? I think he probably can. Great plan, Bat!